Welcome to Work Reborn, live from Barcelona, brought to you by Lenovo. Work Reborn is a research series surveying over 600 senior IT leaders worldwide to uncover the key to creating a productive digital workplace. Last report, we talked about using AI to work smarter and stay safer. Now we're moving from AI readiness to AI reality, where technology and human connection are reshaping how we work and thrive in this new era of work, or as we like to call it, Work Reborn. Let's get started. Taha, welcome to the Lenovo Work Reborn podcast. Would you mind please introducing yourself, who you are and what you do?
Of course. My name is Taha Yucel. I am CTO of Aselsan, which is a defense company in
Okay.
Turkey. It's the biggest company in Turkey and it's one of the biggest in the world. It's in the top 50 in defense industry. It's a very powerful company. So we mainly produce, of course, defense products like radars, like communication equipment and this
Okay.
kind of things.
Like cybersecurity,
Of course,
defense?
of course. And we are very much interested in AI, of course.
Okay.
And we have a AI strategy, first of all. And we would like to implement artificial intelligence most of our products. So, for example, we produced a wireless communication system with AI.
Okay.
It has a simultaneous translation and many languages which are not common in the
Okay.
world. And also we have many languages established in our system. So if we talk in any language, then it can translate simultaneously to other language. So it's a very good communication product and it's one of the first ones in the defense industry. And also we are using, of course, AI in our daily work. As a defense industry, we have to be secure as much as possible. We have a very secure network in our system. It's not open to world. We have very critical designs, critical equipment, and all of them must be very secret. So we established an AI system which is close to the world, but has as much as functionality as the OpenAI system. So, for example, we are using a system, of course, to answer our general questions. We have a system which writes codes. We have a system which translates our documents in business letter case. In the past, of course, we were paying very big amount of money
To do it
for
manually.
translation.
Yeah.
And every time when we translate a document, of course, it needs to be very high experience in defense industry. So most of the translators does not have this knowledge. But with AI, we are doing it very professionally and it writes our letters in a very professional business case and we are very happy
Yeah.
using this system. So
Yeah.
it helps very much, as you know. And also, of course, we are developing some repair maintenance solutions. We export our products more than 90 countries in the world. So we have to give support to them. So we need to establish an AI base which gathers all the experience inside. And one of our new guy goes to place to solve a problem. He uses
Okay.
this kind of tools and he asked system, how can I solve this problem? And our system gives advice.
Okay.
So it's a very helpful tool also. And these kind of tools are securely established in our system.
I'd love to talk a little bit more about, like, it seems like you guys are really integrated with AI and,
Yes.
you know, it is in our research, we call it the Work Reborn research. We found that over 83% of the leaders we interviewed agreed that to have an effective workplace, predictive and proactive issue resolution was the key, but only 21% have achieved it. So when you think about AI, when you think about IT, what's standing in the way of bridging that gap for that small group of people that have achieved it? And what small step do you think can move the industry closer?
AI, of course, is a very, how can I say, trendy topic nowadays.
Yes.
Everybody is talking about AI, but very small amount of people can actually do it. So making AI for AI is not a good thing. Making art for art, making research for research, these are, of course, waste of resources, waste of time. We are doing AI for efficiency. We are doing AI for business. We are doing AI for our products. So using AI should be, of course, maintained very high with very high expertise.
Yes.
So we have a, of course, good team. We select most talented guys in the world, and they work for us. And we are doing very hard projects. And of course, we give them very clear targets for making AI products. So, and we are also, of course, measuring them. First of all, we build a AI strategy, first of all. And then we give AI literacy to all of our workers,
Oh,
not
so
only a small one.
you're focused on AI skill upskilling
Of
for
course.
everybody.
Of course, engineers should know what is AI capable of, what has AI potentials. So if someone reads AI correctly, then he or she can implement it correctly.
Right.
Otherwise, if you give money, you
You'll
give
lose.
resources, and you cannot achieve results. This is the reason most of the AI projects fails.
Yeah.
But of course, if you know what is AI capable of, what you can use it correctly, then you can implement projects.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Taha, for
You're welcome.
giving your perspective, explaining what your organization does, your viewpoints on AI, and a little bit of that inspiration at the end for leaders who are trying to implement it within their workspace. If anyone is interested in learning more about the Work Reborn report, make sure you download a copy for yourself by using the link in the description below. And if you're watching us on YouTube, scan the QR code here to grab a copy for yourself. It's been a pleasure, and I really appreciate
Thank you
this
very much.
interview.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks for tuning in to Work Reborn, powered by Lenovo. Lenovo is turning readiness into reality, empowering people, technology, and businesses to move forward together. If you've enjoyed this episode, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Apple or Spotify to continue the conversation on how we're bringing new life to the modern workplace. Thanks for watching.
Lenovo, Lenovo.